Hi everyone, I'm Ever Alcrest from Puerto Vallarta Realty and welcome to Casa del Gallo. Bienvenidos. Allow me to introduce you to Vallarta unit number 5. And this condo has been fully remodeled. As you can see, this would be your kitchen, parota cabinetry. Basically has everything that any renter or investor could ever want. As you follow me, you can see that the floors have been remodeled. The cabinetry is made out of parota wood, which is exceptional and excellent for Vallarta weather. As you follow me through the dining room, we can see the living room. And one of my favorite things about this condo is that you get these amazing panoramic views of the city. And we sit atop of the Romantic Zone here in Puerto Vallarta. And clearly, follow me, you could actually have breakfast, you could dine, you could have lunch, but you're here. This is what it's all about. You get this magnificent view, gorgeous weather, December, January, February, just a 5-minute drive back up from the Romantic Zone. You could easily have a nice breakfast, dinner. This does come fully furnished, so it's a big plus. Turnkey property. Follow me downstairs. Another feature that I love about this is the fact that it has a lower master bedroom on the lower floor, king size bed, but as you can see, it might look a little tiny, but it's efficient. And what that means is you could easily host or have company stay up on the upper level and still have that privacy from the lower ground. So follow me, please. This is where the magic happens. So as you can see, you have a nice king size bed, fully remodeled from floors, half bathroom here, perfect for complete privacy from the upper level, from guests. The fact that you have closet space, again, beautiful cabinetry, made for Vallarta weather. Easily you could be here months at a time. You could use it as your little sanctuary for long-term living, or it would be a perfect way to have an investment property in Puerto Vallarta because of the great location. It's all about the location. I love this outdoor patio. You have a little private area here for storage. You can easily store outdoor, indoor, household items, personal belongings. But this is amazing. You could have breakfast out here. You could easily entertain. You could watch the sunset every night. Every night would be different. Every morning would be different. So thank you so much for visiting Casa del Gallo, magnificent, beautiful condo in Vallarta Condominios, Puerto Vallarta. See you soon.